If you spend a lot of time staying in the kitchen like I do, meal prepping, cooking, or washing dishes, then you know how quickly fatigue can set in. That's why I was so excited to get the DEXI anti-fatigue cushioned mat. And honestly, it did not disappoint. The first thing that I noticed was how soft and supportive that it feels underfoot. Thanks to this memory foam padding, it gives just the right amount of cushion without feeling too squishy. It has made a huge difference in how my legs and my back and my feet feel after standing for a long period of time. This retro floral design in beige is absolutely gorgeous. It adds a subtle touch of style and color without clashing with my kitchen decor. I love how easy this thing is to clean. It's super easy. Like spills wipe off this thing with absolutely no effort at all. It does not soak in because it has this like plastic covering on top of it. Even after a few weeks of daily use, this mat still looks brand new. It does not slide around thanks to this non-slip backing. Based on the comfort, the design, and how well this thing has held up in all my everyday kitchen chaos, this mat definitely gets my stamp of approval. If you are interested in this anti-fatigue mat by DEXI, I'm going to put the link for this down in the description below.